Each group about 16, 17 people. Yeah. So if you like the English group, English tour, please come here. And the other group.
你要 English tour 吗？
Yeah.
他为什么突然给你看看？
我不知道，他就突然给我就 OK。
不用。好，
哎，还蛮好看的，给我拍的蛮好看的。
大致上分两组，对，因为人太多的话，So in this room, we usually keep the animal that can be kept in roughly room temperature, and also we can set up different kind of environment for the animal to conduct different kind of experiment. So I will show you several different kind of organisms we have been using here. First egg. But actually this is squid. Cephalopod, squid, also cephalopod, squid egg. Yeah. So we have been keeping squid and cuttlefish and for our experiment. And during the reproductive season, they will deposit this kind of egg stream. So we can collect them and let them hatch out and collect the larvae and also the small ones and grow them for other kinds of experiments. So actually these tanks are the tanks have been used to keep, when they hatch out, we'll keep them in there. And can you see those equipment? Those are the temperature control and also the pH control equipment. So we can mimic the acidic environment. So with Dr. Zheng Yongze, he is studying how ocean acidification. From your right side, there are some crabs and also sea urchin.
都会长一些水，那个这个叫做共生藻、珊瑚藻，还是共生的？不是生。
The samples, these are the dead ones. They aged and died in this facility, so I saved them for some sample for you to look at. Cephalochordae are chordae animals. They are closely related to vertebrates, but they do not have vertebra. They do not have backbone, and they have very simple nervous system. So I use that to study how the vertebrate animal can evolve. Segments, those are their gonads. So they will grow eggs or sperms inside those gonads. So when they are mature,其实没有什么人在研究它，但是它里面有共生藻。我们最近，我等一下到so later in the teaching lab, I can show you some pictures I took from those when I cut them. So be quick. Just go in and experience, have a little bit experience of it. Induce them to release their gametes for experiment. Yeah. Okay, so we go to the second reality. Several different kinds of tanks housing jellyfish. But it's a different species. You can feel the temperature is different. Yeah. So the larvae will attach to the tank and start to grow into polyps. Yeah. So these tanks are mostly the polyps we have been keeping, and from the polyps, they will start to bud out from the top of the polyps and become small jellyfish, or what we find euphilia. Strobulation. Yeah, this process is called strobulation. And the first few stages called euphyla. Yeah. And we will collect those small jellyfish and grow them gradually into these smaller jellyfish juvenile, and then grow them continuously. So now we have been able to